Assalamu alaikum and good morning, beautiful faces of the world. My name is Abdul Ahmadi and you are watching Delicious Food. This is the channel where everything is being made delicious. So today we are going to make the Maharashtra's most special and the least expensive food I will say, which is, if you have not eaten that, you have really missed something. So I'm going to reveal what it is. It is Vada Pav. This is the Maharashtra's most special dish, which everyone is known to, and I hope you will like the recipe because you do not need to spend 10 rupees on going outside and eating it. You have to spend 100 rupees and make it at home. So I hope you like the video and enjoy the video and watch till the end. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like our videos because we put in a lot of efforts and I hope the efforts are worth it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and I hope that was really helpful for you. So I will, like always, catch you guys with something more crazy in another video. Till that time, stay safe, stay home, Salam.